Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem If by Rudyard Kipling. English workshop. Question number 1. Read the following bits of advice and state whether you agree or disagree with them. Advice. Get angry when others commit mistakes. Disagree. Keep friendship with all classes of people. Agree. Run away from troubles. Disagree. Hate the rich people and help the poor. Disagree. Get angry when others blame on us. Disagree. Reconstruct something we have built with care even if it has been broken by others. Agree. Second, pick out and enlist the positive and negative qualities from the poem in the respective columns. Positive qualities. First, keep your head. Second, trust yourself. Third, make allowance for doubt in others. Fourth, don't give way to hating. Fifth, face the lies told by others. Next, keep your virtue. Next, talk with crowds. Last, keep the common touch and walk with kings. Negative qualities. Lose your head. Others doubt you. Not be tired by waiting. Deal in lies. Nor lose the common touch. And last, look too good, too wise. Third question. Why do the lines in the poem begins with if you can? What effect does this have? Answer. By beginning the lines if you can in the poem, the poet makes his advice a necessary precondition for a person to develop himself in a true human being. Next, look at the use of opposite reactions in the poem. For example, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs. Find 4 other such opposite reactions from the poem. Note them down in your notebook. Answer. First, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you. Second, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting. Next, say what? What are the 2 impostors? Answer, triumph and disaster. Next, what can the unforgiving minute be made up of? Answer, 60 seconds worth of distance run. B. Say who. Who should you trust when doubted? Answer, you should trust yourself. Next, who can you talk with and walk with? Answer, you can talk with crowds and walk with kings. Next, say when. When can the earth become yours? Answer, when you can make good use of every second without wasting. Next, when should you start rebuilding with old tools? Answer, when the things are broken to whom one has given one's life to. D. Say why. Why do knaves twist the truth? Answer, to make trap for fools. Next, why should you consider all men equally important? Answer, because neither foe nor friend can hurt you. Next, what should be your attitude towards people of different strata and classes? Answer, we should learn to mix with people of all ranks and classes. We should give equal treatment to all. Next, what according to Rudyard Kipling is the highest quality that makes a man a true human being? Answer, According to Rudyard Kipling, the ability to treat all people equally makes one a good and balanced human being. Next, identify the figures of speech used from those given in the bracket: simile, refutation, antithesis, personification, metaphor, alliteration, apostrophe. A. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs. Antithesis and alliteration. B. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. Personification. C. And yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. Repetition. D. With worn out tools. Alliteration. Next, write a letter to your parents thanking them for advising you when you were in a confused state of mind. Cover up the following points in a body of the letter. First, your problem and confusion. Second, the advice of your parents. Third, how you followed their advice. Fourth, how the problem got solved. Fifth, your deep gratitude to them. ABC, Happy Home, Main Road, Vadgaon. Dear Baba, I am writing this letter to thank you about giving me valuable advice. You know very well that I was very much disturbed and confused. It happened because of overstress and tension. I was very much ambitious. I wanted to achieve my goal, but I didn't get success. So I was disturbed and got depression. At that time, you guided me. You gave me some tips and I followed them. And a miracle happened. I started to get good marks and I achieved success. I became very much delighted and automatically my problem got solved. I came out of my depression. Now I am very happy and enjoy a lot. Dear Baba, all credit goes to you. Thank you very much for your kind and tender advice and guidance. I will never forget your advice, I promise. I will follow this advice in the rest life also. Once again, thank you. Convey my best regards to mother and granny. Love to little Sonu. Nothing more to pen. Yours obediently, ABC. Next, draft a speech to be given during the farewell for Standard 10th on the topic Changes I would like in school education of our state. Steps: greeting and salutation, self-introduction and introduction of the topic, a catchy thought, episode, news, etc. to start with, 2 to 3 changes that you suggest with their reason, conclusion, thank you or greeting. Honorable Chief Guest, Headmaster, dear teachers and all loving friends, very good morning to all. I am very lucky to share my thoughts on changes I would like in school education of our state. Dear friends, I am a student of 10th standard and you know the topic of today's speech, it is very difficult. So many learned people already talked about it, even though I am trying my level best. You know, nowadays there is a fever all over nation or world about computer education. So the education department is also trying to involve the subjects related to this. But what about experts and infrastructure? At the same time, what type of syllabus is for village and city level? I think it is not fair. The government should think about it. I know computer education is very must, but in rural areas, still in some parts electricity is not reached, no proper roads and facilities are available. At the same time, Rural students are economically backward. They cannot give fees. Some courses are not affordable to them. So, the government should take their responsibility by giving them scholarship funds to all of them without considering their caste, religion, etc. I think all of you are also agree on my thoughts. Thank you. Next, Rudyard Kipling's book entitled The Jungle Book is worldwide famous. Its theme and setting of the story attract the readers from the beginning. Write a book review of Kipling's book The Jungle Book in 100 to 150 words. Watch the English workshop video of 2.5 book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan, warming up questions.